Okay, so I am outdoors right now in the city where I live, Funchal. And if you remember one of my earlier videos about moving to Madeira, which I'll link to up here, it was all about using YouTube to build the kind of life that I really wanted. But what I really want to do today is take you back to the beginnings of my channel and show you how I started to build my YouTube channel. What are the first few videos that I made and how did I leverage those videos to get massive opportunities that allowed me to move to Europe? So I want to challenge the assumption that it takes hundreds of videos to get any traction on your YouTube channel. That is not true. With 10 quality videos on your YouTube channel, you could be featured with big publications, you could get speaking gigs, you could get brand deals, you could be earning affiliate commissions, and you could be launching your first digital product. And I know all of this to be true because I've done it with my first 10 videos. And it started in 2015. In 2016, I got published in Entrepreneur Magazine, my first big publication. That happened, and they featured my YouTube channel and I collabed with them on a lot of videos. So that's something that happened with my first 10 quality videos. The next thing that happened was that I got my first brand deal at $700 with a company that made presentation software. So I want to destroy the myth that it's not possible to make good money with your first 10 videos. The third thing that I was able to do was that I got, and I applied to speak at one of the biggest marketing conferences in the world called Inbound, which was happening in Boston. Remember, I lived in Pakistan at the time. I traveled all the way to Boston, Massachusetts, and I spoke in front of 1,500 people. And the conference itself had something like 22,000 people attending. So I got that big break because of my YouTube channel, because in the speaker submission, I was able to show that I make videos and that I am a speaker and that I can talk about these topics and that I have topic expertise. And the fourth thing that I was able to do with just the first 10 quality videos on my channel was to start earning affiliate commissions, and TubeBuddy and Amazon were my first two affiliate commissions that I ever started earning. And I started making money on the channel through all of these things. And so I really want to challenge how you think about your YouTube videos and what you can do with your first 10 quality videos on this platform. So first things first, I want you to change your mindset around how YouTube works. And I want you to unlearn all the things that the YouTube gurus have been teaching you so far. So the first thing I want you to forget about is the views, the likes, and the subscribers. Just chuck them out the window. They are all irrelevant when you are first starting out on your YouTube channel. Those are not the metrics that you want to focus on. The second thing I want you to shift your mindset around is forget about getting to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time as your initial success criteria. Okay? You do not need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time to start making money on this platform. You don't need AdSense. That is the last thing that you need to be concerned about when you are first starting out with having a presence and being a creator on YouTube. So the first thing that I want to know from you is what kind of opportunity would you like from your YouTube channel with your first 10 quality videos? So put that down in the comments, and then I want you to go and watch this video next on exactly what should you create those first 10 videos on to start your creator journey on YouTube and your entrepreneur journey as well. And I will see you in this video.